isa din na ipapangako sa'yo. Ikaw lang yung mamahalin ko. Ikaw lang yung pipiliin ko. Kahit anumang mangyari sa...
It's normal, it's okay.
Happy lang siya ba?
Kahit anong mangyari sa relationship natin, hindi ko bibitaw. Yun lang yung pangako ko.
You have been my constant for almost a decade, and I am very thankful na you stayed even if you stayed and you never let me face my battles alone. And I will promise and I vow that I will love you forever, even in my maldita ways. Thank you for being strong enough to marry me.
Feliz Angeli, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty. I promise to love you and honor you and respect you for all of my days of my life.
Al Jacob, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, and respect you for all the days of my life.
I hereby pronounce you, Al Jacob and Feliz Angeli, husband and wife. Al Jacob, you will now kiss the bride.
Congrats, Jacob, Feliz.
Congrats, Cob.
Mahirapan tayo sa kalisod. Give it their first bite. First bite.
Always put at the first.
Always love each other, love each other, and at the center. Dapat
Reminder lang po na to sa inyo. Kasi sa inyo ha, init si Feliz, you will be the water. So if fire si Jacob, Feliz will also be a water.
Sikapan nyo na maprolong at magmahalan habang buhay. Yun lang. Thank you.
like thankful kay ko sa parents ni Phyllis kasi siya magpadako ka sa Phyllis.
Oh my God!
Kaya si Phyllis, like, makita dyan siya ni mo ba na dako siya full of love. And so, ang mga tao na marag ma-close niya, ma-extend niya tong love na naabit, give-pour siyang para may I love you!
There are days na mag-away mo, but always ninyo nauna-una nga, it's both of you against the problem, not both of you against each other. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you sa inyo.
Lapit na.